Welcome to the project Real-Time Attendance Monitoring System. So in this project we are using NodeMCU microcontroller, the main controlling device of the project, and this is 16:2 LCD display which can display the 16 characters in 2 rows, and this is LCD driver. So LCD consists of 16 pins. So in this LCD we are using only 8 pins. This driver is convert 16 pin into 8 pin, which is interfaced to the NodeMCU module, and this is step down transformer which take the input 230 volts AC, and it will convert 230 volts AC into 12 volts AC. That 12 volts AC we are giving input to the bridge rectifier which converts 12 volts AC to 12 volts pulsating DC. That 12 volts pulsating DC we are giving input to the capacitor which remove the unwanted pulse, and the 12 volts DC we are giving input to the 7805 voltage regulator which give the constant 5 volts DC. That 5 volts DC we are giving input to the NodeMCU module for working voltage, and that along with LCD also. This is regulated power supply boards, transformer, rectifier, capacitor and voltage regulator which converts 230 volts AC to 5 volts DC. We are using regulated power supply. So let us see the demonstration. We should insert the first we should give the power supply to the transformer by using this cable. Here we can see welcome to the project, waiting for data entry. Then only we should insert the laptop to the NodeMCU module by using this cable. Already we installed the HyperTerminal software into the laptop. So go to the click on OK, open the HyperTerminal folder and click on OK. Next give the random name, click on OK, cancel, yes, OK, and port number is
port number.
So here we can get the port number from device manager COM3. So we should remember that COM number and enter that COM number into the HyperTerminal software. Click on OK. So we should install some settings. So we should enable the two things to enter the data. Then only it will display the student attendance on HyperTerminal software. Here we can see enter name person 1 and enter, and then only enter roll number, here we can see total is number of students is 60, so presence is 1. So this ECE student, next when I enter the CSE student, here we can see ECE student 1 and CSE student 1. So the percentage of the students which are present, it shows as an LCD. Here we can see number of percentage of ECE students 3.33, 3.33 percentage. So out of 60, 2 members are present. By like this we are demonstrate like this project. Thank you for watching demo.